Now let's delve into the next domain, the chassis domain of the vehicles. It forms the skeleton of the car. Modern steering system include the power steering. Modern chassis system integrate number of sensors, the top speed of the vehicle, horsepower, charging recharging time. We are basically gonna infer to the powertrain and the chassis domain controllers and the systems of the. Let's delve into the next domain, the chassis domain of the vehicles. The chassis domain form the structure and the backbone of a car, providing the framework that supports everything. The engine, seats, doors, everything. It forms the skeleton of the car, holding everything together, and it forms the foundational structure of the vehicle. It not only serves as the base structure but also plays a crucial role in the car's braking system, suspension system, aerodynamics, and mechanical stability, so as to give the minimum level of shocks to the passengers. The systems which are there in the chassis domain control of the vehicle are as follows. First is the frame. Frame is this foundational structure of the vehicle onto which the components are being mounted. It is the main mechanical body or the structure on which our full vehicles are being built onto. Next one comes the axles. Axles transfer the power from the engine to the wheels, and it also bears the car's weight. Next one comes the suspension systems, which connects the wheels to the frame and absorbs the shocks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. It improves the handling and maintains the tire contact with the road for the better stability. Then comes the steering systems, which enables the driver to control the car direction. Modern steering system include the power steering for easy maneuverability and electronic steering systems for the precise control. And last one and the next one comes the braking systems, which consists of the systems which can slow down or stop the vehicle whenever needed by the driver or the external environment. So you can see that the chassis domain not only forms the structural shape of the vehicle, but it also controls the movement of the vehicle. And modern chassis system integrate number of sensors, softwares, electronic for the features like electronic suspension system, electronic and advanced braking system. To understand this thing in much more interesting and crisp manner, let's understand the difference between the traditional braking systems and the modern electronic braking systems in the cars. For example, the traditional mechanic braking systems relies entirely on physical components like brake pads and the hydraulic pressure to stop the car. While it is effective, but it is not so precise in emergency situations. Whereas modern electronic system uses the sensors like wheel speed sensors, brake pedal position sensors, yaw rate sensors, steering angle sensors, and the road surface contact sensors for faster and more accurate control features. Features like anti-braking systems ensure that the vehicle stops even on the slippery road and the emergency and the critical situations. Explore some real-time examples of the car so as to showcase the chassis domain control feature. And the best example for now is the BYD's latest supercar Yongyuan U9 is equipped with groundbreaking electronic suspension system, which is capable of propelling the vehicle over the obstacles such as potholes and the road spikes. And it does so by integrating the number of sensors and software algorithms onto the suspension system of the vehicle so as to give the passengers least amount of shock and the best riding experience. So you will see that the chassis domain and the powertrain domain forms the functional and the moving part of the vehicle. Engines, steering, braking, wheels, all these will be part of the powertrain in the chassis domain. So next time when we say the top speed of the vehicle, horsepower, charging recharging time, and all these terminologies and the parameters, we are basically gonna infer to the powertrain and the chassis domain controllers and the systems of the vehicle.